Hello everyone, myself I am Rishikesh Reddy, first year UG student at IIT Kharagpur. My roll number is 21ME10082. I am from section 4. For my DIS project of assignment 3, I have selected a clock, a quartz clock, to disassemble it and to explain it to you. This is a quartz clock and plus it's an alarm. It makes sound when you set the time. And let me open it up and explain it to you. This is for the alarm to work. No, this is an alarm speaker from which we can hear the sound. Here you can see a little switch here. This helps to provide the light. Let me show you. See, you can see that there's a light coming from here. This is it is coming due to this switch. And now the main process or the main part of the alarm is this part. Okay, you can see this now. Let me remove. I think you can see that the wheels are moving, the gates. Now let me show you this clearly. And for the explanation parts of this quartz clock uses an electrical oscillator that is regulated by quartz crystal to keep the time, to show the time. It is somewhere inside the quartz crystal. The first quartz clock was invented in 1927 by Warren Maranson and Jane Horton. Actually, these were the gates that these quartz clock use to count the seconds, minutes, and hours. And these sweep the hands around the clock face. But the gates are regulated by a tiny crystal, the quartz crystal, and the quartz crystal is generally made up of silicon dioxide. And quartz is a very common element on the earth. The quartz crystal is piezoelectronic. It means if you squeeze the quartz crystal, it generates tiny electrical impulses, and if you pass electricity to the quartz, it vibrates at a precise frequency inside the quartz clock. When the battery here sends the electricity to the quartz clock through an electronic circuit, you can see the wires here, which help to send the electricity to the quartz crystal. The quartz crystal then vibrates with a very precise frequency, and the frequency of that is 32,768 per second. The circuit counts the vibrations and uses them to generate a regular electric pulse per 1 second. These pulses drive the gates. These pulses drive the small electrical motor, and these electrical motors drive these gates. And these gates then turn the seconds hand, minutes hand, and hours hand. And when we come to the speaker part, the alarm part, you can see here. This is a speaker that makes the sound, and it is connected to the circuit. And when I set the alarm at a time, then the speaker starts to make sound at that time. And the power of the speaker is also supplied by the cell we put here. And now this hand is used to set the alarm. This is our hand. You can see it. So this was a video. This was the explanation I am giving. Okay, I think it's done now. Thank you.